This is how you make the Neyaca effect. Place your veil here and duplicate. Set size to 50 and make the opacity to 50%. Drag it to a random position and another size veil, and you gotta make a voice changer. Alright, so the first one is the low. I'm gonna set it to 50, I guess. Much better. Sounds like green lowers. Now this one should be nothing here, but I'm gonna make it to the next pitch. I'm gonna set this to 40. Why does it sound like G major? So I'm gonna set another pitch to 70. Then add your favorite effect. It's called Shadow Negative. Alright, so here's the final result. So, have you enjoyed this?